We are doing guided grounding to find your peace during the holiday trigger season. Let's begin by taking a comfortable seat. Let your shoulders drop, unclench your jaw, and let your hands rest gently in your lap. Take a slow inhale and a long, easy exhale. Let's bring your attention to your feet. Feel the weight of them grounding you. Notice the points of contact with the floor. Imagine your breath traveling down your body, from your chest to your belly, all the way to your feet. Slowly breathe in and let the exhale soften your entire body. Now lengthen your exhale just a bit. Inhale for a count of 4. Exhale for a count of 6. Feel your shoulders lowering. Feel your body saying, "You're safe. You're here. This moment is enough." If your mind wanders to your to-do list, simply note, let it pass, and return to the breath. Inhale for 4, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continue breathing and let the rhythm do the work. Bring to mind one thing that's been weighing on you. An expectation, a worry, a task that you've been carrying alone. Hold it gently in your awareness. Now imagine placing it in a basket beside you. You don't have to solve it right now. You're creating space for yourself. You're choosing calm. Say softly in your mind, "I am allowed to rest. I don't have to do it all. Good enough is peaceful enough." Take one final deep breath in and release it completely. When you're ready, open your eyes. You're here. You're grounded. You are enough.